Hello, dear friends. My name is Brad Garlinghouse, and I'm glad to welcome you to the official Ripple channel. I know that lately the XRP price has been disappointing, so I decided to tell you about a good way to increase your cryptocurrency portfolio. With this strategy, you can earn up to 12% on your investment in just 5 minutes. XRP prices are constantly changing, so by the time you're watching this video, the profit in this strategy may change. But it is precisely because of cryptocurrency volatility and differences in liquidity across exchanges that we will be making money. Our approach is quite simple. We will buy XRP on one exchange, for example on Coinbase or Binance, and then sell XRP on Arbitrage. Don't forget that links to both exchanges can be found in the description below the video. To get started, we need cryptocurrency on our Binance account. In our case, this is XRP. Right now, I have a balance of $45,000. First, visit the Arbitrage website and find the deposit section to copy the XRP address. Next, go to Binance and open the Withdraw tab. Select XRP. Paste the Arbitrage wallet address, enter the amount you want to withdraw, and confirm the transaction. Once your XRP is credited to your Arbitrage account, you are ready to continue. Go to the trade section and sell your XRP at a price that is 12 to 16% higher than what you paid on the exchange. For example, I bought XRP for $45,000 and sold it for $50,300. As a result, the net profit was $5,300. Now it's time to withdraw the profit to any wallet of your choice. I will transfer mine back to Binance. To do this, go to the withdrawal section, enter your Binance wallet address, and specify the amount, which in my case is $50,300. For faster transactions, I recommend using USDT TRC20. Click the Withdraw Funds button, and your money will be sent to your Binance balance. That's it. This video serves as a visual demonstration of how to make a profit using arbitrage. The best part is that with each withdrawal, you can continuously increase your deposits and income. As you can see on the screen, I earned more than $5,300 in just 10 minutes by making only a few trades. I highly recommend taking advantage of this strategy while it remains effective. Thank you for joining me today. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and share your thoughts in the comments below.